everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide applications on your Samsung tablet. So maybe there are some pre-installed apps you don't want to see or something like that. Just go to settings, scroll on down to home screen, and there's an option in here called hide apps on home and app screen. And then just go through here, maybe like the Galaxy Shop, I'll probably never use that. Gaming Hub, I'll probably never use that. Health. Microsoft Copilot, maybe, I don't know. So you can just go through here and check these ones that you're probably not going to ever use, that you can't uninstall or something like that. Here's the store. And then we should be good. I can just go to done. Now when I swipe up, you can see I don't have these unneeded apps on here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.